Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both meshes so they behave predictably. First, apply rotation and scale, Ctrl+A, on each object. This prevents distorted transformations later. Then enable snap and choose vertex or edge to align points precisely. This helps when you bring edges or vertices together. Select both objects in object mode, making the one you want to keep as the active object. Once done, you're ready to move into joining and fixing topology with modifiers and edit mode operations. Now combine and clean the geometry. Press Ctrl+J to join the meshes into a single object. This makes topology edits straightforward. Enter edit mode and select overlapping vertices. Use merge by distance, M by distance, to weld them. Adjust the distance value so only intended verts merge. For complex shapes, add a Boolean modifier or use bridge edge loops between selected edge loops. Make sure to fine-tune the tolerance and clean up engons with knife cuts, so the mesh remains manifold and deformation-friendly. Finish by validating and smoothing the connection. Recalculate normals, Shift+N, so shading and normals are consistent. If faces still appear dark or inverted, flip them manually. Add a subdivision surface or remesh to smooth seams and watch topology. Use crease or edge loops to hold form. If you see shading artifacts or holes, check for non-manifold edges and remove duplicate vertices. Once corrected, apply modifiers where needed. If things go wrong, inspect merge distance and normals first. They solve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.